Hello everyone, welcome. This is Trade 8, one of the best channel for accurate trading. Now we haven't been around for a while, depending on how the market has been treating us. Now this is what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. I made analysis on Tesla last time, how Tesla have been moving, and this time we're talking about the Bitcoin market. So look at what is happening right here. Look at what is happening right here. I've been telling people that Bitcoin is a kind of market they don't usually understand. Now, if you look at this, we usually trade with the indicators, so it will tell you what is going to happen in the nearest future. The indicator holds a lot of stuff. Now, look at Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart. If you look at what Bitcoin has been doing for the past years, this is the EMA 200. Bitcoin has been testing this EMA right there. This EMA, let me point to you. This is the EMA Bitcoin has been testing for years. If you zoom out right there, you see it. Now, this was the first touch, the second one, the third one where it almost broke out. Now it's coming to that same point. So you might see a Bitcoin of 64,000 or 64,000 or 50 something thousand Bitcoin before there will be a high impulsive move. So this is what we are expecting on Bitcoin. This is where I might say this is not possible, but it's actually has been happening a lot of times for the past years. This has been happening. So you might say it's not possible, it looks very possible, but this is where we're expecting Bitcoin to get to. At that point right there, we have this horizontal line right there. This is where we're expecting Bitcoin to get to before it actually moves. And if you look at it very well, you could see that at that point is almost, that is $58,000 to 60 something thousand. So this is where you expect Bitcoin to get to before it actually have that impulsive move. If you go to Litecoin, I've been trading Litecoin for okay, let me check Tesla stock, what you should be expecting on Tesla as well. This analysis is very perfect for you to have that calm emotions. If you have the emotions are well intact and well behaved and reason with what the market is giving to you, you wouldn't have any issue. This is the Tesla. Let me go to the daily chart. So let's see what the EMA. Now this is Tesla as well. Tesla has been at this point. We have a test right there too. The same thing is we're expecting to see on Tesla right there here too. So I was actually waiting for this to get to this point, and this is where I'm waiting to see a reaction, a positive move. It might get to this point right here. That should be around 235 before we see that push up there, or it might actually react from that point, that EMA 200, and start moving upward. That's what we're expecting on Tesla. So we go to the Litecoin and also see different stuff. Okay, this is Litecoin. This is what I'm expecting on Litecoin. I've drew this like the flag pattern as well. So if you look at what happened at the Litecoin, you could actually see that it tested this zone here and also on top of the EMA 200 before it actually moved up. But if you look closely and if you zoom in a bit, you could see that this is actually a flag pattern formation. So you might see Litecoin coming down to this point right here before we see that move as well to the upper side, or to actually react at the 200 EMA before breaking down. So this is what we're expecting to on Litecoin. We have a lot of other ones right there, but let's see Cardano as well. This is what Cardano is actually doing too. This is it. It responded to this EMA. Responded to this EMA right there. Right? You see first move before it came down again, tested and went up. But you see this is a flag pattern as well. Yeah, we'll see a if you look at it right here, we'll see from what we're expecting to see 1.9 $1.09 or $1.06 of Cardano. This is what we're expecting on it, right? So if you also look at Bitcoin right there, you see the formation arrow on the weekly. The stochastic oscillator, if you look, you see what Bitcoin is doing. It hasn't actually had that full formation at the at that zone, right? You say this is not working. If you look here, it worked. It worked perfectly. It worked perfectly. If you look here too, look at this. It worked here, here, and also here as well. So this is what we're expecting again to see before we see that bullish push. But mind you, it must actually touch the 200 EMA before you see that big takeoff. So expect this on the stock and also on the crypto market. So don't have that panic, don't have that fear in you and start selling off your shit. You have to hold on and see how this thing plays out. We have a lot of them playing out. If you look at this one has been playing with the EMA10 as well. That is a Meta. We have Meta. Coca-Cola, I was bullish on this too. I was bullish on this. I bought when it was around this zone because I knew what was going to happen. I bought here too. I'm going to profit on this one. Now what we're expecting on this is a slight move to the downside before that bullish move. Expect this. This is for you. This is for you to get accurate details of what the market is planning to do, so you don't have that panic and the fear in you. So this is Trade 8. Follow and like our videos for more of this.